Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can stop background apps on Android. Now, for you to stop background apps on Android, there are two ways which I will teach you on this video. Now, to do that, firstly, the easiest way is to simply click on this All Apps button like this, and if you have applications running, it will be shown here and you can stop it. So let's open up some few applications like this. I have just opened a PDF reader and Instagram, and they are running in the background. Now if I want to stop that, I can simply click on this button, which can be either on the right side or the left side of your screen. Now these background apps will show, and I can just simply click on this clear all option. Now the other way is to go to settings on your phone. Once you're on your settings, find this apps button and click on it. Once you click on the apps button, you'll be redirected to another menu. Now on this menu, simply click on this all apps option. After you click on the all apps option, choose an application you want to stop running on the background. So let's say I want to stop Instagram from running on the background. I'll search for it and I will be redirected to this page. Now on this page, I can simply click on this force stop option like this and click on OK. Once I do that, the application that I choose will stop running on the background. I hope this video helped you to stop background apps running on Android. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.